Here in Hamusek from Orange County Hotrods. He's had our 57 hardtop for a few weeks. Done a lot of great work and improvements on it. I'll let him share with you what he's done.
All right, this is a 57 two-door hardtop like Roscoe said. And we did a full restoration, frame-off restoration in 2 weeks on this car for the car show. Grand National Roadster show is just awesome. There's lots of awesome cars. But anyways, I'm going to go over what we did, the upgrades for the car and everything. It was restored 13 years ago, so it had a lot of old school parts on it. So we needed to upgrade the thing. And new fuel injection system, it's got an Art Morrison chassis, Flowmaster exhaust, TMI interiors, Eddie Motorsports billet, hood hinges, got all kinds of stuff. But we're going to go to the car and we're going to talk about all the little stuff that we did to it. So anyways, we start off with the Edelbrock E-Tech crate engine, and this was done 13 years ago. So they needed a new ProFlow 4 fuel injection system put on this car. So they brought it to my shop, and we were just gonna put the injection system on and just call it a day and maybe do a couple little other things. But I dug into it, and this car needed a full restoration. And I just couldn't let it go without doing it correctly. So what we did is we pulled the body off the frame 2 weeks ago, and we just started going to town. And what we did is we got rid of all the chrome, all the billet, all the old school stuff, and just our whole intention was to do a painted motor, black accessories, and that's kind of the going rage now, and it makes it stay cleaner. You don't have to polish a lot of stuff, and it's really great. So we added the Edelbrock ProFlow 4 fuel injection system, and it's a super easy bolt-on installation. And you got to know a little bit of mechanics to understand it, but we have the Dakota Dash sensors in here and everything, and it's just an awesome unit. We've got billet specialties, air cleaner, valve cover. We've got vintage air front runner system. We've got Wilwood brakes. We've got vintage airs, brand new AC system. It's the new one for the 57, where the hoses do not come out of the block here. They come out way inside the engine over here where the old airflow vent was. So that's really cool. So a lot of cool new products coming out. Put the engine transmission cooler. See, we're going to drive this car probably back. We're going to drive it to many shows in 2019. So we had to make it really functional. And so what we did, this is why we added the trans cooler up front, so you get full airflow, so you do not overheat your transmission. So that's why I put the transmission cooler up front here. But it just made nice stainless steel polished lines. So we got the new Eddie Motorsports billet hood latch supports. We got the new Eddie Motorsports billet hood hinges. They're just awesome. Everything just works really awesome on this billet hood hinges. And it's black anodized, which is kind of the new rage. And we got the under hood supports also from Eddie Motorsports. That just bolts it on really awesome too. So anyways, this car is like ready to go, ready to do a back east tour, or do the 2019 tour. And it's gonna be an awesome car. So next week we're gonna have Edelbrock come down, we're gonna do a fine tune on it. We're gonna drive it around, give it some gas. He's gonna hand tune it, fine tune it if it needs it. But basically right out of the box, it's pretty tuned itself. I didn't have to do much, but you read the setup instructions and you have a full fuel injection system set up. It's really super easy. So I really recommend this Edelbrock ProFlow 4. It's awesome, and I can't wait to put more of them on the project. So anyways, let's talk about the interior, because we put Dakota dash gauges in. The new VHX has just unbelievable options, Bluetooth, different color changes. So let's go around to the interior. And so what we got here is we got like stock looking dash gauges for 57 Chevy, but they're actually all digital, electronic. They're still analog, the needle still moves, but you get to choose like 10 to 15 different colors that you want while you program it. You've got oil, temp, gas, you got everything with numbers on it so you can actually see what's going on with your engine. It's really awesome. And the new vintage air system obviously still uses your stock heater levers, but that's converted to electronic, which has it's just really awesome. You get everything the stock look, but it's all activated electronically, and it works really awesome. So here we've got TMI's new interior kit. That's just unbelievable. I mean, it looks like a $20,000 interior in this car, but basically it's a whole kit. Comes with the seat, center console, the new dash pad. You don't see dash pads on these cars, but with this new concept dash pad, it really makes the car look awesome. Hard headliner. Take a look up here at the headliner. It's just really awesome. You don't have the bow stitches. It's one fiberglass piece that fits right up in here, and everything's built in on this interior kit. It's really a cool kit. Somewhere for like $10,000, you get seats, you get everything, and it's a really awesome kit. So anyways, the trunk has the same thing in it. It's got a full box interior kit. I don't know if you want to get the keys, we can show the trunk also, but yeah, it's really awesome. But basically we've done a lot of upgrades, and all this is in the Danchuk catalog, so you can buy all this stuff right out of the catalog. It's really awesome. So anyways, you can come to Orange County Hot Rods and I can install everything for you. So it's really awesome. Southern California here. You can go to orangecountyhotrods.com and see everything on the website, and go from there. And if we want to show more, you know, I can talk about more too, but that's basically the gist of this whole restoration. It just really, it's an awesome car. It drives like a new car. It's really cool. So we're going to check out the rest of the Grand National Roadster show, see some more awesome Tri-5s, and go from there. All right.
Thank you.
Take care, people.
Thank you. Cool.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.